What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, today we're going to go ahead and talk about the best GPU hangers in the mining industry, and that is the Hobbyist Miner GPU Hangers. Before we go ahead and jump into these though, I want to let you guys know these are sold, 3D printed, and shipped by the crew over at Misfits Mining as well as ChumpChange. I do nothing other than have my brand and logo on these. But I want to thank you guys. It has been a humbling experience to grow this brand at the size that it has grown so quickly. So shout outs to you guys in the community. In addition to that, I want to let you guys know that I take no profits from these. I take no commission from the sale of these. I merely take great joy in knowing that we are growing, learning, and mining together as a community. So let's go ahead and take a look. So these are available in two different colors. Let's take a look at the first one here. The first one is red, and this is exactly the way that you guys will get them if you do buy them. They come with a few different things. The first thing is they are printed, and these are standoffs. So these are standoffs that you would find for your motherboard, for your power supply, that you would hook. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Hang on here. Magic, you're ready? Magic. There we go. Had to open the bag. Was not prepared. So if you're looking for a standoff onto a metal rack, these clip into it. There's also the motherboard ones that you see here. Look at that. That's so cool looking. And that clips into it as well. And then finally for your power supply, clips in as well into a metal rack. So there's standoffs that come with this kit. There is 6 total hangers that you guys can see right here. Take a look at that. Hobbyist Miner logo, which is cool. And then also it has a screw to go into the side, and we'll go over how these are installed in a minute. But you get 6 of these in your pack. They are available in red or in black currently. If you guys are looking for a certain color, just leave a comment down below. In addition to that, every one of these boxes comes with a ChumpChangeXD sticker, the gentleman who prints these, as well as a Hobbyist Miner sticker as well. Look at that. Turned out so good. I'm so happy with that. So let's go over exactly how to install these, shall we? So let's put these back in here, and we'll save one here. Here's one that's currently installed, as you guys can see. And oh, let me show you the black ones real quick. Here's the black ones. Put that away from the camera a little bit. Here we go. And oh, I also forgot, it has the Hobbyist Miner on the bottom. Hobbyist Miner, and then also has the logo right there. So that is the black kit. No difference, just black and red. So over here, here is our hanger. And let me go ahead and get set up and we'll install it. Okay, so if you are using an older card, as you guys can see it, you see how it has like this X on here? So these are there actually for the support during the printing process. So these can be removed. If you're using a little bit older of a card that has a DVI port on it, it will actually block. So like when you go to install these, you kind of put it there. You see how it's blocking? It's blocking it, so you can't actually install it. So what you need to do is you have to remove these X's here. So all you have to do, just take a needle nose, pliers, whatever, and you literally break these. They come off, and they'll come off clean. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll pull these all off. Now, if you're using a newer card, you don't need to do any of this, because on newer cards, you don't have any DVI ports on them. So you don't have to worry about, you know, blocking it. And that's just from that perspective there. It actually works out really well. So let me get this all cleaned up and good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna move our garbage aside. So now what you can do is we'll take out this screw here, and I actually need a flathead. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unscrew it here. Okay, and now what you do is you go ahead and just stick it in here, and now at the top we'll go ahead and put our screw in. and tighten it up, and bam, there you go. So now we have our hanger all set and good to go. That's what it looks like installed. Let me turn it around here, give you guys a better view. See if we can get it for you there in the camera. And these are all accessible, which is nice. And then what you do is you hang it from right here and also from right here. So let me go ahead and swap over and I'll show you guys how to hang these on a rack. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and get this installed. I'll show you guys exactly how these work. So if I was to come in here, and I'm actually running a number of these, you guys can see, this is a great example. And this is probably like my neatest rig regarding like wiring management and cable management. It just turned out perfect. But anyways, I have more of them over here, 1060s. We got more over here, 1080s, 2060s, and then more down here, 1660 Ti's on the GPU hangers, and then even farther down here, these are actually R9 380s as well. So what you would do is, let's use this rack right here for an example. So what you do is you pull it up underneath, and then you just need to line it up. Sorry about that. So you see how that's lined up right there? So the nice thing, what you can do is kind of you come in from underneath, you put that mouth over it there, and then you find just where it hangs, just like that. So you see how it's supported fully on this one, and then over here, it's also supported as well. And then as you guys can see, it's not going anywhere. It's locked in with the screw and it's hung very nicely and neatly. And the nice thing is, like, you can kind of shift these around, you know, as you need to. So up top here, I went ahead and just have them nicely, evenly spaced out, and it works great if you got to work on anything. And the nice thing is, if you have to work on it, you can just go ahead, come down to your card here, I'm holding it now, and pull it back and down and now out, and that's it. Nice, simple, and easy, good to go. I actually have a boatload of these. These are the Sapphire Nitro 470s. I have a number of these out here that I'm going to be going through and cleaning all of them. I have 12 total, and then I'm going to be building a upcoming Ravencoin rig with them. There's a bunch of extra tech here I have of redesigning those and putting them into a different setup. So anyways guys, that's it for today. The Hobbyist Miner GPU hangers, the best in all the land. Anyways guys, I'll put a link down below for the red ones as well as for the black ones. Once again, these are printed and produced by the guys over at Misfits Mining. Shout out to ChumpChange for sending these over and preparing these. And I mean, man, it's all worth it if you guys can get Hobbyist Miner sticker. Anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.